नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो. Myself JV and Dr. Monica Trivedi. Today I am going to teach you system surrounding and the types of the system. This topic belongs to thermodynamics, equilibrium and solution of BSc B8 PCM ZBC and BSc PCM ZBC fourth semester. So, students, what is a system? A system is that part of the universe which is under the thermodynamic study, and the rest part of the universe is known as a surrounding. So, whatever we are using for the study is called as a system, and the rest part, other than the system, is known as a surrounding. So, if we see this both diagram, the system is what we study, and the boundary, and you can see the boundary of the system, and other than the system, this is the surrounding. Okay, and if you use the closed system like this, the system is inside, and the system boundary is outer side. Okay, so mainly the systems are depend on the like homogeneous system or heterogeneous system. Okay, so what is a homogeneous system and what is a heterogeneous system? When a system is a uniform throughout, it is called as a homogeneous system. For example, if a pure single solid, liquid or a gas mixture of gases and a true solution of a solid in a liquid, this is a homogeneous solution. A homogeneous system is made up of one phase only. Okay, only one phase appears in that kind of system. So a phase is defined as a homogeneous physical state which is separated by the system. Okay, and what is a heterogeneous system? In heterogeneous system, more than one phases are present of a solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so for example, if I is in contact with the water, I is in contact with the vapor, here the ice and water is a vapor system. Okay, so this is two type of the system. One is a homogeneous and another is heterogeneous. Okay, so the type of the thermodynamic system. Okay, according to pressure, volume, temperature, these are the variables. So there are three type of the thermodynamic system depending upon the nature of boundary. If the boundary is closed, sealed, no matter can be passed through it. If the boundary, if the insulator. Okay, and if the no energy or no heat passes through the system. So first is the isolated system. When the boundary is both sealed and insulated, okay, no interaction is possible with the surrounding. Therefore, the isolated system is one that can transfer neither matter or energy, okay, to this surrounding. Okay, let us consider, if we take example, if we have a system in which 100 ml of water contact with the vapor in the closed vessel which is insulated, okay, like a thermos. Okay, so since the vessel is sealed, no water vapor or a matter can be escape from it. Also, because the vessel is insulated, so no heat can be changed by the surrounding. So the substance in which in present in a system is a boiled water is present in a thermos flask. So it is a example of isolated system where no heat or no matter can transfer to its surrounding. Okay, here you can see if the system, if the isolated system, and there is no exchange of energy matter, or no exchange of any kind of matter and the energy. So this kind of system known as an isolated system. When the energy transfer by the system, okay, it is called the only energy can transfer is called the closed system, and when energy as well as matter can transfer is known as a open system. So here you can see the example. If the thermos is an isolated system, the flask where only can energy transfer is uh, is a closed system, and in a, you can see the beaker, the matter as well as energy transfer from the surrounding, so it is known as a open system. So as we know, the closed system, here the boundary is sealed but no no insulator. So therefore a closed system is one which cannot transfer the matter, but it can transfer the energy in form of the heat, work and the radiation, and to this its surroundings. So this kind of system known as a closed system. Okay, these are some example here. So what is a one system, open system, or open system in which the energy as well as the matter can transfer to the surrounding. So this is the open system. So another diagram of the systems, like closed system, isolated system, open system. So no exchange of matter and no exchange of heat is known as a isolated system. No exchange of matter, but it can exchange the heat to its surrounding is known as a closed system, and if the it can exchange the matter as well as it can exchange the heat is known as a open system. So thank you very much. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you satisfy with my session. If you have any query, please comment me. Thank you.